In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the too many retries error you might encounter on Steam. This error can be quite frustrating, especially when you're eager to dive into your favorite game, but don't worry, by following these simple steps, you'll be back up and running in no time. First, let's start by ensuring that your internet connection is stable. A weak or intermittent internet connection can often be the culprit behind this issue. Take a moment to check other devices in your household to see if they're having similar connectivity issues. If possible, try restarting your router or modem. By powering down your router, waiting for about 10 seconds, and then turning it back on, you often resolve many connectivity issues. Once your internet is stable, check if the issue persists. If your connection is solid and you're still seeing this error, it's a good idea to clear your Steam download cache. This might sound a bit technical, but it's actually quite easy. Open up your Steam client and head over to the Settings menu. From there, navigate to the Download section, where you'll find an option that says Clear Download Cache. Click on this option and follow any on-screen prompts to complete the process. Clearing the cache won't delete any of your games, but it will remove any unnecessary files that may be causing the problem. After you've done this, restart Steam and check if the error is resolved. Next, let's ensure that your Steam client is up to date. Steam often releases updates to enhance performance and security, and running an outdated version could be the reason why you're encountering this error. In the Steam client, click Steam in the top left corner, then check for Steam client updates. If an update is available, it should download automatically. Once updated, restart your client to see if the issue has been fixed. Another potential solution is to change your download region. Sometimes, the servers in your current region may be experiencing high traffic, causing these errors. To do this, in your Steam client, go back to Settings and then Downloads, where you'll find Download Region. Select an alternative region from the list and then restart Steam. Finally, if none of the above steps work, it might be worth verifying the integrity of your game files. Right-click on the game in your library, select Properties, and navigate to Local Files. Here, you'll find an option called Verify Integrity of Game Files. Clicking this will have Steam check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them if needed. By following these steps diligently, you should be able to resolve the too many retries error and jump back into your gaming adventures. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides.